In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new rows in Glide. If you're building an app to track tasks, organize inventory, or collect feedback, you'll add data all the time. And doing it directly in Glide keeps everything consistent and easy to manage. First, go to Glide. Open your web browser and head to the Glide site, or launch the Glide app if you use the desktop version. This brings you to the home area where your projects live. Next, sign into your account. Use the same method you originally used to create your account so everything links up correctly. Once you're in, you'll see your projects laid out. If you have several, take a moment to identify the one you want by its name and thumbnail so you're editing the right app. Now, open the project you want to edit. This loads the Builder interface, where you can switch between how your app looks and how your data is structured. At the top, click Data. This takes you into the Data Editor, which is where your app's tables, columns, and rows live. Think of this as the spreadsheet view behind your app. It's the best place to review and adjust the information your users will see. On the left, choose the table where you want to add a row. Each table is a collection of related records, like users, orders, products, or tasks. Click the table name to bring up its rows and columns in the main panel. Double-check you're in the correct table so the new information lands exactly where you expect it. Now click Add New Row. This inserts a fresh, blank row into the selected table, ready for your data. You'll see an empty line appear, and you can immediately notice how each column corresponds to a piece of information, like a name, date, status, or image. Some columns may autofill based on computed logic, while others might show default values to help you stay consistent. If you don't see the Add New Row option, make sure you have editing access and that you're in the data view of the Builder, not just the layout preview. In some layouts, the control appears as a button or a plus icon near the table. That's all it takes. Adding new rows through the data editor is fast, reliable, and keeps your app's backend tidy. As you continue building, this simple flow will help you maintain clean records and make updates confidently. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs.